Hi, so good afternoon everyone. So that's a very good question na minsan yan yung unang pagpasok ng ano. Okay ba yung kinakain ng anak ko? Okay ba yung mga binibigay ko? No? So ideally, a healthy and well-balanced diet will be able to provide the essential vitamins and minerals and including the macronutrients, hindi lang yung mga micronutrients, to our kids to grow and support their growth and development. No? But let's face it, diba? Reality, facing reality, ang hirap, no? Ang hirap magpakain. Ako, I've experienced this, no? Simula complementary feeding, no? It's really a challenge for the parents to be able to consistently give a well-balanced diet. So sometimes the food alone may not be sufficient. No? And talking about the key nutrients, no, I want to highlight some of the key nutrients, the vitamins that will help, parang mas nakatutok sila sa growth and immunity. We have vitamin A. You know this as important for the eyesight, no? Your vitamin B complex, it's important for the brain development, red blood cells, and your vitamin D, alam natin to also, parang we've been seeing also many studies on vitamin D, especially during the COVID pandemic, no, na we need this to boost our immune system. And it's important initially kasi parang talagang nakatutok siya sa bone health. And it's important also for bone health. And our C and zinc, no? Those two, the vitamin C and the mineral zinc are very important components of how we fight infections, be strong in fighting all the exposures that we get around.